The yellow-banded bumblebee has been declining, and it's down to maybe 10% of its former numbers. It used to be one of our most common bumblebees here in southern Ontario. As bees become more inbred, they encounter difficulties maintaining their populations. But as their populations get smaller, they have difficulties avoiding inbreeding. It's sort of like if the difference between a big town like Toronto and a tiny little country village where everybody is cousins. So as the population decreases, the chance of mating with somebody who's related to you increase. That causes inbreeding, and inbreeding can be very bad for bees. When we had created the genome, we started looking for signs of that. And unfortunately, we found that bees in southern Ontario and mid-northern Quebec are becoming more inbred. And it's pretty clear that it's recent. So that's one risk factor for this population that could accelerate their decline. In inbred bees, some of the males become infertile, but the queen doesn't necessarily know that when she goes out and mates with one of them, and so she might end up not having offspring at all, or if she mates with a male whose genetics is too close to hers, her workers might actually be turned into sterile males. And so instead of having the number of workers that she needs to build the colony up, she may only have half as many, and that will probably make a colony very difficult to survive. Finding as much inbreeding as we did was a sure sign that this population is declining rapidly. So what is the problem? The inbreeding is something that worsens it, but it's not the first cause. If it's disease that's knocking down these bees, we should see signs of strong selection on genes that are involved in the immune system of bees. And that's, in fact, what we found.